Next, use our vendor migration tool to upload your old statements to auto-migrate vendors and assign cards faster. You can migrate your vendors by heading to your setup guide on the top left and clicking on Move Your Spend onto Ramp. Here, you're going to click Continue, and you will upload 6 to 12 months of credit card statements, and Ramp will generate a report for you to switch over your spend. You can also access your switching report through your Vendors tab. On the left-hand panel, you could go to Vendors and then click on to Switch Cards, and your report will show down here. Next step is to prepare for accounting. In the left-hand panel, click on the Accounting tab. Here, you can click Get Started Now or assign this task to your bookkeeper or accounting firm. Once you click Get Started Now, the next step will be to choose your accounting software and follow the prompts to connect it. The Ramp Help Center has articles and videos walking through most of the accounting software connections, so be sure to search there for directions if needed. Connecting accounting is essential to code transactions and sync data from Ramp to your books.